Hi guys, we've hit 5,000 subscribers, 5,000 man, and I'm so happy and I'm so thankful that you have supported me through the past 2 years, through the pandemic, and I've been so blessed that I'm able to help so many of you guys with your problems at home via video conferencing or over the phone, or even engaging me as your handyman to come down to your house and help you solve your problems. Now I want to introduce the PUNGGOL Handyman membership program. Okay, how this works is there are 3 tiers. If you like more videos like this, you want to go behind the scenes, have some candid videos, bloopers, blooper reels and stuff like that, you can add to the toolbox, right? Adding to the toolbox, you get exclusive access to early videos and commentary, as even candid reviews, my thoughts, my personal opinions, which I don't put in my normal training videos. If that's not enough for you, you can of course join the workshop. When you join the workshop, you get one-on-one contact and consultation with me. You can call me over the phone, you can video call me, and I'll be right there to assist you in your DIY projects. Sometimes there might be giveaways, and I will be giving away free stuff to you too. But if you are looking to strengthen your DIY skills, this is the program for you to join. And finally, there is the network. Now, if you are part of my network, I will be engaging your services and even recommending your services to my clients, homeowners, DIYers, and even on my videos. So have a look at the memberships. Thank you so much once again for your support all these years, and I'll see you on the next one.